everyone, marhaban, shak barikum, Zain, Ana Zain, Alhamdulillah. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. Guys, this is yet another video where I'm going to share with you what I've learned this past week. So if you're new here, welcome. I am Kathy and I'm trying to learn Emirati Arabic language and I like to share my journey here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, join me. Let's learn this language together. So I'm learning Emirati Arabic language. I understand there are different kinds of Arabic dialects. So I'm focusing on Emirati Arabic because I am here in the UAE currently. And whatever I'm sharing is what I've learned and what I've been hearing people using in our daily conversation. So in today's video, for example, there is this word I've been hearing every now and then. This word is what? What in Emirati Arabic they say is shoe. So for me to be able to understand, or for anyone who is interested to learn Emirati Arabic, I have made 10 different words using or sentences using this word for me to be able to understand and at least to help me while using this word, or these are the words that I hear every day at work, outside there. And I'm like, let me just share with you or whoever is interested to use this word or maybe learning Arabic. Okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So the first word is what is this? What is this? In Emirati Arabic, they say shuhada. Shuhada. For example, you can say, what is this? I did not order anything. You can say, shuhada ma talabt shay. Shuhada ma talabt shay. Order is talab. So if you're talking about past tense, you say talab. Shay is something. So ma talabt shay. Shuhada ana ma talabt shay. The second way you can use what is what do you want? What do you want? Shu tabe. Shu tabe. Shu tabe. Okay? And if you're referring to a female, you say shu taben. Shu taben. As I mentioned earlier, there is a different ways when you're referring to a male and a female. So in this case, shu tabe is for male, shu taben is for female. For example, in a sentence, Shutabe Habibi. We learned previously Habibi is a man, Habibti is a female. So Shutabe Habibi. Shutaben Habibti. Number three, my favorite one. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shu sawi. Shu sawi. Okay. For example, what are you doing today? Shu sawi liyom. Or what will you be doing today? Shu batsawi liyom. Shu batsawi liyom. So if you're just saying, what are you doing today? You just say, shu tsawi liyom. But if you're going to say, what will you be doing today? You say, shu batsawi liyom. We are at number four. What is your name? What is your name? So if you're asking, you're referring to a male, you say, shu esma. Shu esmak. If you're referring to a female, you say shu esmach. Shu esmach. Esmach. Yeah. So shu esmak, shu esmach. That means what is your name? Number five, what happened? What happened? Shu sar. Shu sar. For example, what happened yesterday? Shu sar ems. Shusar ends. Yesterday in Emirati Arabic it ends. So, and if you want to say what happened today, Shusar liyom. Shusar liyom. Number six, what time is it, or what is the time? Shu el waqt. Shu el waqt. For example, what is the time now? Shu el waqt al hin. Shu el waqt al hin. Number seven, what do you mean? What do you mean? Shu yani. Shu yani. What do you mean? Is there something? Shu yani. في شيء؟ شو يعني في شيء? If you're asking someone, what do you mean? Is there anything? شو يعني في شيء؟ في شيء؟ شو يعني في شيء? The next one is what should I do? شو أسوي? شو أسوي? The previous one was what are you doing? So it was شو سوي? شو سوي? You are asking someone, what are you doing? But this one is what should I do? شو أسوي? Like for example, to differentiate the two, what should I do now? شو أسوي الحين? شو أسوي الحين? The other one was شو بتسوي الحين? شو بتسوي الحين? Like what will you do now? For me, what am I doing now? شو أسوي الحين? So there is a difference there. 9. What did you say? شو قلت? شو قلت? For example, what did you say? I didn't hear. شو قلت؟ ما أسمع. شو قلت؟ ما أسمع. Or what did you say? I didn't hear well. شو قلت؟ ما أسمع زين. شو قلت؟ ما أسمع زين. Last one. What's wrong? شو فيك if you're referring to a male, and شو فيك if you're referring to a female. For example, in a sentence, if you say, what's wrong? Are you okay? شو فيك؟ أنت تمام؟ شو فيك؟ أنت تمام؟ كل تمام؟ كل شيء okay? So my beautiful people, those are 10 ways on how I manage to use the word what, which is shoe in Emirati Arabic. I'm still learning, so if you know more phrases, please share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on my journey as I learn Arabic while exploring travel and culture. I hope to see you in the next one. Ma salama. We say ma salama. بشوفكم بعد شوي. بشوفكم بعدين. بشوفكم أسبوع الجاي. باي.